Hello, today in this video we are going to discuss about Askhow, how you can get the help from Askhow, what are the different kinds of help they provide, like how they do live tutoring, how do they do scheduled sessions, how do they provide help on drop-off questions, that we will discuss in this video. So let's start by visiting the website. So for visiting the website you have to write the website name, that is askhow.io. Once you put this name, you will go get this link. Just click on the link Askhow, and here is the home page of the website. Now here you can see we can provide you help on whatever subject you are stuck in. We can provide you help on maths, we can provide you help on physics. Any doubt, any question you have, you can just visit our website and just get the help from here. Now let's see what are the different ways we are providing help in. So what we offer. So first one is one-on-one live help, that is 24/7. So one-on-one live help is like you can join at any time whatever you want, like you got the doubt now, you can connect on our website now immediately and you can get the help on our website. Second is drop-off question. So in case if you do not have a time to connect with the tutor for a particular time period and you just want the help or you just want solution to your question, then you can just drop a question to our tutors. They will just check your question and provide you the solution within certain amount of time. Then next is the scheduled sessions. Scheduled session is same as one-on-one live help, just the thing is here you can just ask for our tutors for one particular time interval where you are available, and at that time our tutor will be there for helping you. So you can just schedule a session with at a particular time with our tutor and they will be there for helping you. So these are the three different types of help we are providing. Now let's see how you can get the help. So for getting the help, you can just click on sign in button. Once you click on sign in, you will go to this page. So after entering the username and password, you can just click on login button and you will go on the home page, from where you can get all the three helps what we have discussed. So let's suppose if you want to get the live help, like you have a doubt now and you just want to connect with the tutor, you want to discuss the topic, whatever help you need, you can just click on this live help 24/7, click on this, select the subject whatever you need help on. Let's suppose I am needing a help on maths and just click on live help. So then this new tab will open where you will see that there are 0 students in queue and you are waiting for a tutor. So basically what happens is the request is sent to our live tutors, the tutor will accept that request, and once that tutor accepts your request, this connect button will blink in a blue color, and once it blinks you just have to click on that button and you will get connected with our tutor, and there you can ask your doubt to the tutor, and like this you can connect with our tutor at any time you want. Now let's see how you can get a help on drop-off questions. So let's suppose you do not have a time to connect with the tutor, you just want to send your question and get the solution back. So in that case you just need to click on this drop-off question. Here you can see you have to post a question. So if you have to post a question, you can just click on this submit a new question. Here there are other two tabs as well, completed question and pending question. So this pending question is for, like, let's suppose you have sent the question and that question is not yet solved, so it will be showing in this pending question. If tutor has solved your problem and sent you back, then in that case you will get the solution in this completed questions. Now let's suppose we have to submit a new question. So I am submitting a new question now. After clicking on that button you will land up on this page. Here you just need to select the stage, whatever the stage you are in. Let's suppose you want help on KS4 subjects, then you can click on KS4. Whatever grade you are in, 10th or 11th year, you can just click on that grade. Then let's suppose you want help in subject maths, you can click on maths. Then after that you just have to select the chapter. Let's suppose I need a help in addition of 2 digits, so I will click on addition of 2 digits. Now my question is 5 plus 3 is equals to question mark. I don't know the answer of this question. Now in case if you have any file, or let's suppose PDF or image which you want to send to the tutor, you can send that file from this choose file option. And if you have any specific comment for the tutor, you can mention it over here. And likewise, after filling this detail, you just have to click on save. Once you click on save, your question has been posted successfully. You just need to close this tab and you will go to home page. Now let's suppose you want to check whether your problem is solved or not. So after some time, you can just go in this drop of question again, and you can see here there is one pending question. It means that tutor has not yet solved it. Once the tutor will solve and revert that question back to you, you will see the question completed in this tab, and from here you can very easily access the solution of that problem. Okay, so now let's discuss about how you can schedule your session with a tutor. So for that, you just need to go to dashboard. On dashboard, you can go in the schedule a session. In schedule a session, you just need to click on this tab. Here you can see schedule a session tab is there. Just click on it and you just need to fill this form. So filling this form is very easy. You just need to select your subject, you just need to select your stage, then whatever grade you are in, let's suppose year 11, then you need a help in subject maths, and whatever your query is, you just need to type over here. Let's suppose I will type I need help in understanding addition of two numbers. So just you need to type this question. You can select a date on whatever date you need help. Let's suppose I need a help on 15th of April. After selecting the date, you just need to select at whatever time you need help. Let's suppose I need a help on 10 p.m. I will just type over here 10 p.m. Once I put the timing, I just need to click on save button. Once I click the save button, the request will be sent to the tutor, and admin will approve that request and assign you one particular tutor, whoever is available in that time slot. And likewise, your session will be get scheduled. At the time of your session, you will get a notification over here. You can check here. Let's see whether it appears or not. Once you click on the schedule session, it is showing there is no data. But as you can see, we have scheduled a session on 15th of April. So you just need to select 15th of April and then click on search. And you will get to see that one of the session is pending, where you have asked help for addition of two numbers, and that session is yet pending. So at the time 10 p.m. on 15th of April, you just need to click on this go to class option, and from here you can easily get connected with the tutor, and then tutor will help you in a live session. And once you are done with your session, if you want to log out, you can just click on this profile option and you can log out from here. So that's it in this video. I hope you have understood what are the three different helps you can get from Askhow and how you can access the different kinds of options in it. And I hope you will definitely visit our website and get the help from us. Thank you for watching.